art friends. We're going to be drawing jacks from the Digital Circus, Amazing Digital Circus. All right, let's get this all laid out here. He is one skinny fella. All right, let's get this ball started. So you guys stay with your pencil. So we're gonna make some great big jack's ears. Just like that. And we're gonna make the head. And we're gonna make the great big yellow jack smile. And the little squinty-eyed jack's eyes. And got some black in the middle. All right, so his body is slightly narrower than his head. So let's put his little neck here. And then let's get a shoulder out, about as wide as his head. And another shoulder here. And then we're gonna drop down underneath. And we're gonna just make a line going all the way, just about to the bottom. And then we can put a cuff here for his pants. And then we're gonna come up, get skinny, skinny, skinny. And then we're gonna come around. Another oval. Come up. Skinny, skinny, skinny. Like that. And then we've got a hand coming down. And then we've got a glove here. And a little skinny jack's arm. Like so. And then we've got the overalls. Button, then down here we've got the pocket, and then there's kind of a J, and then there's some more like so. There's really no thumb there. And then it just comes back up and around. And there is Jax from the Amazing Digital Circus. Oh, hold on, there's more. We got the feet. Dip and back. There we go. Now we have Jax, the Amazing Digital Circus. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.